Here, let's take a look at Zoom. So what was the pre-market planning on Zoom? So Zoom was one of our top plays as well. On the earnings, I highlighted as a red as a top play. Ran last earnings, but only long over 82. Watch the pre-market lows. As soon as the market opened, it broke down under the pre-market lows. It became a short. You should short it right under the level that I gave you there. So you short it right away. And I said, if you miss the short, watch any pops and you can re-short it. And then right away, short, and it faded. So you can see when I was on a voice, I told the traders that Zoom is heavy, going lower. You know, as I try to be on the voice and tell my traders to short it, and Zoom short, even we were a little late, went all the way from 78, 76, all the way to 73. There was like $5-6 to be made on Zoom short. It was a pretty good trade for the community there. Bearish chart has not gone anywhere for a long time. So Zoom was amazing short, right? Nothing too much to cover there. You just have to follow the Ripster clouds. TT was a similar setup, very important setup. Look carefully at TTD and look careful at workday, right? Yesterday, same setups. You see what happened? Gap down, get back over the clouds and push towards the MTF magnet. Fill this gap. If you see the yesterday's game planning, workday was a long for us yesterday, and this morning the workday was day 2 setup long over the previous day highs. So you see the gapped up, held the clouds, ran all the way on a day 2 as well, workday. So that was a day 1 long on the fight, on the bounce, gap curls, and day 2 setup. So traders killed it. Similar setup was TTD. You see the similarities between TTD and workday. So all you need to do is when it pushes over this 3450 clouds, you buy long there. Same thing I told traders on workday yesterday. Same thing on TTD. 512 call versus 21.50. That means you long here, put your stops at 21, right away get in. Are you willing to lose $500? That means at 22 you are buying 500 shares, but by the time we hit 23, you already made that 500. You move the stops break even, and we push to 24. You made $1,000 on 500 shares. So that was our long winner. I try to explain that as well here. TTD call, you know, we call it dead cat bounce. That was a little joke, but we'll be watching tomorrow. Similar setup to workday. What TTD did today. Workday was our day 2. We will discuss our day 2 strategy in a bit.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.